Hello, our lovely learners! Warm welcome to you today. In this video, we are going to discuss will and to be going to. Stay with us and learn more grammar. After watching this video, to boost your grammar skill, we have a free grammar quiz to check for yourself if you understand the rules correctly. Let's get started. Future simple is a tense which is used to describe actions or events that will occur in the future. To be going to is a grammatical structure used to talk about future plans, intentions, predictions, or expectations. How do we use them correctly and to talk about the future without making mistakes? Let's have a look in more detail. There are some points where we use future simple. We use future simple, the auxiliary verb will plus by infinitive, when we refer to making spontaneous decisions. For example, I'm walking down the street and I see in the clothes shop window that they have a huge sale for lovely scarves. Before I went out from home, I didn't have the intention to buy anything. But I see an interesting offer and a lovely scarf, and the desire to buy it appears. I say, I will buy that scarf, or a short version, I'll buy it. My friend called me and invited me to the party on Friday evening. I say, that's a lovely idea. I will come. Thank you for inviting me. In this sentence, I didn't have any plans for Friday. And when I got this offer, I made up my mind and agreed to come. It was spontaneous. We also use future simple when we offer somebody assistance. For example, I will help you to do the housework. I will bring you a blanket to keep you warm. Future simple can be used when we promise somebody we will do something. For example, I promise I will call you tomorrow at 3 p.m. I will clean my room today, I promise. We can use future simple when we express our hope for the future. For example, I hope I will finish my work earlier today. I hope I will have a nice weekend. And we use future simple when we warn or threaten somebody. For example, if you don't apologize for your behavior, I will end our friendship. Future simple is used to make predictions which are based on our feelings, thoughts, beliefs, or experiences. Usually with words I think, I don't think, I imagine, I reckon. For example, I don't think it will rain tomorrow. I think they will enjoy the movie. Grammar structure to be going to is used to talk about plans, intentions, or decisions which have been made about the future. I'm going to visit a yoga class next month. She is going to fly to Egypt for her summer holiday. Also, to be going to is used to make predictions. So, both future simple and the structure to be going to are used to make predictions about the future. But to be going to, predictions are based on what we can see, hear, or know. For example, look at the sky. The clouds are very gray. It is going to rain soon. In this sentence, I see clouds and I am making a prediction according to what I see. In the street, I see a man next to the ice cream shop. The man is choosing ice cream. I look at him and my sentence is, The man is going to buy an ice cream. In this sentence, my prediction is based on what I am seeing at the moment. Let's summarize what we have studied about grammar today. Future simple is used for decisions which are made at the moment of speaking. To make promises, to make offers, express hope, express warning or threats, and make predictions based on our feelings, thoughts, or beliefs. To be going to is used for making predictions based on what we can see, hear, or know, and to talk about plans. I hope this explanation was useful for you. Now it's time to do the quiz. Please follow the link in the video description to do the grammar quiz and check for yourself if you understand the rules correctly. Good luck! Thank you for watching, and if this video was useful for you, please don't forget to subscribe and like, as it is much appreciated. Thank you and goodbye.